Bonjour tout le monde, comment allez-vous? Moi, je m'appelle Dana. Hi everyone, my name is Dana, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some French vocabulary that you can use if you travel to a French-speaking country, let's say France or Belgium. Now, these phrases will definitely also come in handy if you're being friendly or greeting a native French speaker, and let's say you want to make friends with them, these phrases will be very beneficial to you. Now, further down in this video, I'll be sharing some two conversations that you can use, and both these conversations will include the vocabulary that we will be learning right now. So, c'est parti! Bonjour. Bonjour. Bonjour monsieur et mesdames. Bonjour monsieur et mesdames. Bonjour can also mean hello. Salut. Salut. Salut maman. Salut papa. The phrase for good afternoon is bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. Bienvenue. Bienvenue. Bonjour, bienvenue chez moi. Bonjour, bienvenue chez moi. Salut, bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube. Salut, bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube. Ça va? Ça va? Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Tu vas comment? Tu vas comment? Or I could also say, comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? Est-ce que tu vas bien? Est-ce que tu vas bien? Quoi de neuf? Quoi de neuf? Quoi de neuf? Quoi de neuf? Quoi de neuf is a very informal way of saying how you're doing. It's like saying, what's up? What's new? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Vous allez comment? Vous allez comment? Vous allez comment? At this time, you might be wondering, Dana, what do you mean by formal and informal greeting? Well, jot this down. Informal greeting is when you are addressing someone you're quite familiar with or someone you're well acquainted with, for example, a family member or friend. Now, formal greeting, you address someone formally when you are talking to someone you don't know so well, or if you want to be very professional and polite. For example, if you're addressing a professor, a teacher, or greeting someone at a business conference. Was this info helpful to you? Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you keep updated with new videos that can help you improve your French. Now, let's continue. Now we're going to be learning how to respond to these questions. Let's go. Ça va? Ça va? Ça va et toi? Ça va bien? Ça va bien? Je vais bien. Je vais bien. Je vais très bien. Et vous? Je vais très bien. Et vous? Ça va mal. Ça va mal. Or you can also say, je vais mal. Je vais très mal. Hopefully you're not doing too badly today. Ça va comme ci, comme ça. Ça va comme ci, comme ça. Comme ci, comme ça. Like you're okay, so. Comme ci, comme ça aujourd'hui. Now I'm going to share with you some important phrases to learn. Whether you're vacationing in France or just practicing your French, it's really good to know these common phrases. Merci. Merci. Not mercy, like you're begging, mercy, mercy, please. No. Merci. But there are other different ways to say thank you in French to really elevate your level of gratitude. You can say merci bien. Merci bien. You can also say merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Just saying thank you very much or thank you so much. Pardonne-moi. Pardonne-moi. Like you made a mistake, you stepped on someone's toe. Pardonne-moi. Or you could say, to be more polite, pardonnez-moi. Pardonnez-moi. Désolé, pardonnez-moi. Excuse-moi. Excuse-moi. Or to be more formal, excusez-moi. Monsieur, excusez-moi, s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. But let's say you're talking to a friend or family member, you could use s'il te plaît. S'il te plaît. De rien. De rien. De rien literally means of nothing. Or you're welcome. I like saying it was nothing. Il n'y a pas de quoi. Il n'y a pas de quoi. Il n'y a pas de quoi. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Or you can also say bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Bonne nuit. Good night. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit, monsieur. Bonne nuit, madame. Bonne nuit, maman. Bonne nuit, papa. À tout à l'heure. Tout à l'heure. Which means see you later. But note, it means I will see you later today. That's a context you would use it in. So let's say you had a class with someone in the morning and then you're gonna see them later in the evening. You can say à tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. A shortened form of à tout à l'heure is à tout. À tout. Now for the next one. À plus tard. À plus tard. You can also say à plus. À plus. Salut. Salut. And yes, salut can mean hi and goodbye. But salut is more informal. So just make a note of that. Au revoir. Au revoir. The most common way of saying goodbye in French. Au revoir. Au revoir. À bientôt. À bientôt. À bientôt. Now it's time for the conversations that I promised you early in the video. Now I'm going to be giving you two conversations. They're going to be played once, regular speed, and then afterwards, slowly. Once, regular speed, and then afterwards, slowly. The first conversation is going to be between two friends, and then the other conversation is more formal. Are you ready? Vous êtes prêts? Bonjour Martin.
Salut Marie,
Comment ça va?
ça va très bien. Et toi?
Comme si, comme ça.
Salut,
À bientôt. Bonjour Martin.
salut Marie,
Comment ça va?
ça va très bien. Et toi?
Comme ci, comme ça.
Salut.
À bientôt.
Bonsoir et bienvenue, Madame Dupont.
Bonne soirée, Monsieur Robert.
Comment allez-vous?
Je vais bien, et vous?
Je vais très bien aussi.
Au revoir, monsieur.
Au revoir, Madame. Bonsoir et bienvenue, Madame Dupont.
Bonne soirée, Monsieur Robert.
Comment allez-vous?
Je vais bien, et vous?
Je vais très bien aussi.
Au revoir, monsieur.
Au revoir, Madame.
Remember, you can watch this video as many times as you like to get enough French practice and to get the pronunciation down pat. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to check out our other videos that will appear on this screen. Merci et à bientôt.